In our session, we will discuss about polygon, which you can find under this draw panel, and if you go to the rectangle options, within that you can see polygon. Before going through this polygon command, let us have a look over the different category of polygon which geometrically you can define. If you see this three different polygon and right side another polygon, you can classify broadly into two different category. One is the regular polygon, another is irregular polygon. In case of regular polygon, all the sides of the polygons are same and they maintain a equal radius from the center. But in case of irregular polygon, you can have any number of side and any number of radius parameters. So typically if you see the side here, all the sides are of different length and they don't have a unique center which is inscribed or circumscribed. But in case of a regular polygon, you have a inscribed in polygon or circumscribed in polygon. If the polygon is inside the circle radius, then it is inscribed, and if it is over the circumference, it is circumscribed. And in the third case, you have the equal side of which forms a regular polygon. Let us see the definition part. If you go to this polygon command, then you can see the polygon enter number of sides. The first you have to enter the number of sides. Let us say I will go for 8. Then once you specify the number of sides, you will be prompted to select the center point of the polygon. Let us say this is my center point of the polygon. Then you will be prompted to define either inscribed in case or circumscribed in case, which you can get from right click. Let us say I am going for inscribed in circle, and I will be defining here the radius of circle. Let us say the radius of circle is 10. So this is inscribed. So if you inscribe 10 radius circle, then this polygon will be inside this. So this is the virtual case which you can refer always to draw one circle and then understand that how the radius parameter is controlled. And in case of circumference, you can go for command as well, POL, or you can click this. Number of side may be 6, and you define the center point. Then I will go for the circumscribed either by this direct screen navigation or right click, you can go for circumscribed as well, and you define the radius of the circle as 10. So this is the two different output with the radius 10. One is the inscribed case, one is the circumscribed case. But in both the cases, you don't have a controlled side length as this is radius driven. If you go to this dimension and you go for the dimension check, in this first case, this probably could be something 7.65, which I have not specified as I have specified radius. Just like that, you can see this case it is something else. Let us say I need to maintain 10 side. The side length will be 10 for this polygon. So you can go to polygon command. You define the number of side. Let us say 5. I am defining here center point, but I am not defining through radius. So I will go to right click and I will go to edge option, and you define the start point, then you define the end point. This end point will be 10, so I can enter 10. Now if you see the dimension, that will be 10 for all the side. So this is the regular polygon case with three different options, and the irregular polygon directly you can draw either through polyline or through line command.